Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to this channel and you're interested in modeling, you definitely want to consider subscribing because I make some of the best videos on the modeling industry that you guys are going to see. So today in this video, I have a special guest with me. This is Olajumoke Olaiya. I hope I said that correctly.
Yeah.
So Ola is a model. She's a professional model, started her career from Nigeria. And she's been able to travel to London, to Paris, working abroad. We both happen to be in Nigeria at the same time. We're currently at Lekki Conservation Center, as you guys can see. And I just thought, I would take a few minutes of Ola's time to get some advice for you guys, specifically those models who may be in Nigeria, for example, or anywhere in the world that's looking into launching their career and having success in those major fashion capitals, right? So without further ado, pass it off to Ola and she's going to give us the details.
My name is Olajumoke Olaiya and I go by the model name Ola. I love fashion. I love watching fashion shows a lot. And back then I felt like, ooh, what are these people? Like, are they people like myself? And few years down the line, I realized I can actually become one of those people. Like, I can be one of them. I can become a model. So how modeling really started for me was I decided in 2020 I really want to become a fashion model. I found my way to this very YouTube channel, and right here I got tips on how to become a model, what you should look out for, and everything. And it felt like the blueprint handed to me. I followed everything back to back. I was living in Ife at the time, and definitely that is not a fashion capital. Nigeria as a whole is not a major fashion capital, but then Ife is even way worse. Anyways, I was able to brand myself on Instagram and reached out to my current model agency. They were so happy to pick me on. How it has been for me since traveling from Nigeria to major fashion capitals for my modeling career, I'll say it has been sweet and so easy, so effortless. I mean, my model agency is like my manager, so to say. They do everything for me, like my flight, accommodation. They liaise with my international agencies to the point of getting me from the airport to my apartment, whatever. They got everything settled. I wouldn't say there is any hiccups for me. Nothing. It was really smooth, and I think that is thanks to me having a really excellent agency. They were there 24/7 to anytime I reach out, they're there to respond. Any concern, anything I have, they are always there to reach out and see, just to make sure I am okay. Any advice I would give a new model, upcoming model watching this right now, my advice would be go back and watch every single videos on this YouTube channel. You're going to get real life tips, knowledge on everything you need to know, in and outs, everything you need to know about the industry. Learn them, don't just learn them, take them into action, practice them, and believe in yourself. Really, you definitely need to believe in yourself. Know for sure, do you really want this? And do not compare. Modeling is not an industry where you want to start comparing yourself. Oh, we started together. This person is already doing this and I'm here. You just have to believe in yourself, believe in the process, and definitely at your own time, you get a big hit.
All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have questions, comments, we'll love to hear from you guys. I'm going to leave her handle down in the description box down below. Feel free to reach out if you guys have further questions that you want to follow up on. Once again, appreciate you guys. Like this video if you learned anything new. See you guys in the next one.